When you're looking for a new cryptocurrency to buy, there's a lot to consider. Number one, meme coins. Meme coins are very speculative, but meme coins offer those 5, 10, 20, 50, maybe even 1,000x gains in a bull market rally where emotional buyers come in and buy everything. Longer term, utility tokens. What kind of utility does that project support? What is it looking to build? And we've got the best of both worlds here with Solaxy Token. Now, I'm going to be talking about Solaxy. I am an investor in the Solaxy ecosystem or layer 2 blockchain that they are building, and I want to bring some more attention to it, so that's exactly what we're going to be going over in this video. Now, if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and as you can see, we've got the Solana Layer 2 blockchain on the screen right now. And if at any time during this video you find yourself interested in buying, if you click that link down in the description below, it's going to pull up this website. It's also in the pinned comments if you want it there. But in the next 1 day and 9 hours and 45 minutes, the price is going to rise again. Now, of course, it could rise even faster than that if the $5,398,000 threshold is met. Right now, it's going to be very close because Solaxy is doing about $400,000 to $500,000 per day in net inflows. Now, this is a lot of money. And anytime you can raise $500,000 a day, a lot of people are going to be interested in it. Now, that also means there's a lot of scams out there. So please use the official link that's in the pinned comment or the description, and then you're going to decide how you want to connect your wallet. If you need a full walkthrough tutorial on how to connect your wallet, how to make the purchase, and so on, type in how to buy Pepe Wall Street. I've got a video where I put my wallet on the left-hand side of the screen, show you guys exactly what to click on and all of that, so that whether you're brand new to pre-sales or maybe you haven't bought one in a long time, you got a little bit of a refresher on the screen there, and then you just determine how much you want to buy. So if you're going to be grabbing 1 Ethereum worth, because Ethereum is getting more expensive today, you're going to be buying 2,141,171 Solaxy tokens. Now, I'm not going to go over price predictions, but there are a lot of positive price predictions ranging up to a 100x increase in 2025 alone. Now, that's not impossible. In the bear market, yes, going into the bull market of 2021, there were plenty of meme coins and plenty of utility tokens that saw 100x increases. So Solaxy, combining the best of both worlds, both memes and layer 2 blockchains, could see those levels of gains. It's not going to be easy. Nothing's ever an easy 100x increase. So I'm going to go over this article and see what reporters are saying about Solaxy. It says Solaxy gains momentum with a $4.5 million pre-sale. This is just a couple of hours ago. Targeting Solana's scalability issues with its smart layer 2 solution and massive staking rewards. Solaxy, or Solx, is developing a layer 2 solution to enhance the user experience on Solana, and investors are taking notice. Less than 2 weeks have passed since the pre-sale started, and the project's funds are just $419,000 away from the $5 million mark. And if you look at it now, guys, they've already crossed that $5 million mark, and this token was written just earlier, or this article was written just earlier today. So they're doing that $400,000 to $500,000 a day mark right now, which is incredible. The Solaxy presale outperforms similar projects as it gains momentum. Solaxy presale officially opened its doors to investors on December 12th, and it has already raised $4.5 million. While the project's scope plays its part attracting investors, Solaxy is best featured on Best Wallet's upcoming token section, making it available to the app's 100,000 monthly users and boosting its visibility further. Now, I've done a lot of Best Wallet videos as well. This is Best Wallet. You guys can buy it directly within Best Wallet if you guys have it there. It's always secure if you connect to the official link that's in the description. But Best Wallet doing phenomenally as well. $5.6 million. If you would like to get your hands on Best Wallet, because they are becoming one of the best launch pads for cryptocurrencies, launching a lot of very successful tokens, you got links for that in the description of my Best Wallet videos as well. This makes it very similar to Pepe Unchained, an Ethereum-based layer 2 blockchain that successfully ended its presale with over $73 million raised. Once its presale ended, Pepu launched on Uniswap with more than 600% gains in the first 48 hours. Therefore, we could see Solaxy seeing 600, that's a 7x gain in the first 48 hours. Guys, layer 2 blockchains are going to continue to grow. They're going to continue to expand, and they're going to continue to provide utility. But if you look at the meme coin cycle that's up ahead, in March, Solana's network was congested, and you had to pay very high transaction fees if you did not want to have your transaction fail. It's going to be even bigger this time. When the meme coin market really begins to rally, Solana will once again become congested. Solana will once again become expensive, and transactions will once again fail. A solution to that is the layer 2 network that Solaxy, or the Solana Galaxy, is building. It's going to take care of all of the scalability, it's going to take care of those failed transactions, and there will be no congestion. I'm excited about it. Guys, it brings together the both worlds of both meme coins and utility tokens, and I am buying in. I simply want to know if you guys are buying in, if you're willing to take the chance to see incredible rewards in this upcoming bull market. Let me know down there, and until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.